In addition to mechanical repair and oil changes, we do automotive electrical repair here as well. So what falls under electrical repair? Batteries, alternators, your window motors that operate the windows up and down, door locks, light bulbs, your air conditioning, even hybrid vehicles or full EVs. I mean, that all falls under the automotive electrical umbrella. So we have 3 highly trained technicians. They're ASC certified. They focus on electrical components on the vehicles. Whether we need to diagnose them, whether we can fix them, or we just need to replace them or repair them, we'll let you know that. So if you have a car that won't start, or you have a battery that's drawing down over a couple days, or you have some funny smells and lights flickering, give us a call, A+ Japanese Auto Repair. We can take a look at it and figure out what's going on for you.